Tempat weddingnya main bang.
So this here comes another partner from Tempra. Also local IGA. Tapi kan garam itu kan nggak begitu serta-merta kayak pecah terang apa.
Iya, iya. Konsisten.
Hai.
Hai juga di aku ya, Andi share di aku ya. Silakan di. Show me that you are correct.
Oke.
Guys. Wah banget gila.
Panik ya. Masuk. Enggak dalam.
Pak Bobi, masuk itu dulu. Pak Bobi ya Pak.
Oke, aman. Clear.
Pak Pras nggak usah. Jangan.
Oke, aman.
Jadi yang cowok nggak dibantunya?
Rick. Oke.
Akhirnya tinggian dia. Jangan dia.
I mean, like, cannot imagine like 10 years of the sun. I could really usually I do care of course. But not so much there. You need to be a little bit.
Microorganisms in there get broken down quite quickly. So the nutrients go cycling. We have one radio station, and on that radio station was the Science Show, a news show that had only been going a few years. And they announced as I went in that they were people's lives, and also in the Judean Hills in Israel. And he talked about this thing called stone mulching. And he said when we got the communities together and we plant a tree in this terribly dry situation, we'd get some rocks and we'd put them around the tree. And the purpose of on the rocks, it would heat up the rocks and it would draw moisture from deep down. As the economies of the US boomed through the after war period, all of the forests of the Philippines, which was sort of like not really a colony, but it was very linked to the US. All the magnificent forests went as plywood to the US. Here in Indonesia, it tended to go more to Europe. So the plywood industry just went out all over the place. And you can imagine 1950s and 60s, even in the 70s, this is quite remote, but they would have come up the river.
Yeah. Okay, clear.